I believe for this stall we are getting very good response. In fact, I would say that across the country there is a increasing response about the ICT. We have very recently joined with Ministry of Railways and we have made a Commonwealth Express, which presently today I think it is in Hatia in Jharkhand, and we have already covered almost 10 states, and we have gone for around 16 or 17 stations, and I am very happy to tell that already around 2,50,000 people have already seen. There also our experience is that very common people, they are coming and visiting and trying to understand more how much ICT is proliferating in their daily life and how much ICT is going to change their life. In this particular India 2010 situation is slightly different. We are expecting, because this is an IT based conference, we expect all the people are having the primary knowledge of ICT. So they are coming with quite a prepared mind. So they wanted to know more about our recent initiatives and the forthcoming plans of the government. In that respect, we are getting a very good response. National e-governance plan, yeah. In the national e-governance plan, one of the forthcoming important initiative will be the e-district. As we know that we have got around 600 plus districts in the country. We had done some pilot e-district program, around 30 of them, and then more than 30. And then we are trying to roll it out, and there is a process involved because it will be a government approved project for the entire country in all the states. In that e-district program, I think that most of the services which a government department is supposed to deliver to the common citizen around the district level, those will be all covered. So I think there will be a great change after the e-district will be rolled out across the country, and many of these services, the first starting point will be the Common Services Center, which has been shown. I think what I should bring about here, that take ICT as a almost general purpose technology. The ICT will be like electricity. Nobody questions the usefulness and utility of electricity now. All the gadgets are running in electricity. The day will come very shortly, even in this country, that where broadband will be used everywhere. All sorts of gadgets will be there. People will be talking on video telephony another 10 years to come. And the mother will be talking to the daughter who is married to a distant place through video telephony, because this will be all at the affordable cost it will come. So, and bandwidth will be enough available to make it happen. So my suggestion to the people will be like this: try to embrace the ICT as far as possible. Don't think ICT is for the elitist people. Don't think ICT is for the educated people, and it will be for the common man.